Ali described about a good wife as Jihadul Mar'ati Husnat Taba'ul. A woman's jihad is good company with her husband. A pious wife is auspiciousness for a moment. He said, Ma min imra'atin taski zawjaha sharbatan min ma'in illa kana khayrallaha. A woman who gives her husband water once, this is the best action and she is rewarded great for it. He mentioned Khiyaru Khisali Nisai Shiraru Khisali Rijal. The best traits of women are the worst attributes of men. فَإِذَا كَانَتِ امْرَأَةُ مَذْهُوبَةً لَمْ تُمَكِّنْ مِنْ نَفْسِهَا. When a woman is proud, she will not let anyone control herself. وَإِذَا كَانَتْ بَخِيلَةً حَافِظَتْ مَالَهَا وَمَالَ بَعْلِهَا. And when she is stingy, she will protect her and her husband's property. Hazrat Ali said about Hazrat Fatima Salamullah alaiha as Nemal Auna ala Ta'atillah. I found her the best helper in Ibadate Ilahi. La Azzabatni wala asat li amra. She neither got angry nor disobeyed me. Laqad kuntu anzuru ilayha fatan kashifu ghaniyal hamum wal hazan. My sorrows and griefs would disappear to see her. Hazrat Ali described about her domestic work as Innaha staqat bil karbati. She used to extract water through musk. وَطَغَتْ بِالرِّحَا حَتَّى مَجَّلَتْ يَدَاهَا. She used to run a manual millstone that her hands injured. وَتَعْجِنُ أَوْقَادَاتِ النَّارِ وَتَخْبِزُ وَنَاسَجَاتِ الْبَيْتِ. She used to knead the floor, burn the stove, and bake bread and clean the house.